Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. This week is a Destash week, which I'm very excited about. I love doing Destash boxes because it's like clearing out the office and y'all get amazing deals. So I will list all of the prices of everything down below, but let's go ahead and get into the different categories. This is going to be the only item you can order with other items. This might last a while. I did make, I think like 90, I made 100 of them, but then there's 10 in a different box. But you can order these with regular sticker items. Everything else in this video is a single item order, no coupons allowed, but it'll say that in the listing. So this one's going to be an outlier as far as it'll be in its own listing, and you can order this with your regular sticker purchases. So this is 6 Ultimate Mystery Kits, and it's guaranteed that at least 2 of them will have the foil with them. And these are not misfits. These are just overstocked mystery kits. And I think that the range was December 2021 through January 2023 that you could get a kit from, and there's going to be 6. You can't request any, but it'll just be a random assortment. And like I said, these are not misfits, and at least 2 of them will come with the foil. So for example, this is just an example. Well, this is actually one I'll be bringing back to work. This is December 2021, January 2023, October 2022, September 2022, November 2022, and also April 2022. I think this is the one that we had the most left over, so a lot of those will include the mermaid mystery. So that is the first item, and like I said, this you can use coupons, you can put it with other items. Everything else that I'm about to show you is a single item order. So these boxes are already packed, already sealed, besides the ones that I'm showing you, and so you have to order it by itself, no coupons, nothing else allowed. So the first one I'm going to show you is the small box. And this is in a small priority box. This one, well, the 6 Ultimate Mystery is $99.95 for the 6. And then this one is the small box, and this is $24.95. So this one here, I wanted to make something a little smaller. I feel like the last one I didn't do anything this small. But this one here has an assortment of things. And also, I totally forgot to mention that this is a very curated Destash. Normally, I just do boxes of a size and you don't really know kind of like, oh, are you guaranteed anything? This is all guaranteed items as far as like categories. So in this box, you're going to get 6-piece washi. There's going to be 2 different clear sticky notes from the Park Hopper collection. There was also an orange and a gray if you want to know the color options. You're going to get an SPC pin, and then there's going to be 2 random vinyls, and then there is going to be a matte foil bundle sticker pack with 5 matte foil bundles. These are discontinued, so these are just an example of the 5. And then you are also going to get one of these old mystery Destashes, and I believe these are misfits, but they are ultimates. So this one, for example, has February, May 2020. This one I didn't have a date, but I'm pretty sure this was February 2020. May 2020, July 2020, and the 6th year. And these, like I said, are misfits, but they're ultimate kits. So this is great if you want to get some kits on a budget. And like I said, for $24.95, you're going to get 4 kits, 5 matte foil bundles, the 2 vinyls, the 2 sticky notes, a pen, and the 6-piece washi. So that is the first Destash box. And again, this is the small box. And then the next one we'll go through is the medium box. So this is what the medium box looks like. This one will also have a 6-piece washi. It also has the 4-piece of the Mystery Misfits. This one has a little bit of a different variety in it. It will come with a Park Hopper album, a Rose Colored Days overlay tape, all 4 of the Park Hopper sticky notes, a pin, a vinyl pack, and then also the remaining, I had a couple of these. I don't think there's only 25 of these boxes. And this is the, I believe this was not last year, but the last year Advent. So this is like 12 days of our old foil bundle. So lots of foil in there. And this box is going to be $39.95. And like I said, this one, there is only 25 of them. It's not the most limited one, but it's the second most limited. Then we do have the large box. This one's really fun. This is the large box, and inside of the large box, you are going to get a Oops print impression planner. They will all be the princess. So if you missed out on this, the Oopses aren't wild. They just have like small blemishes. This is the princess color. So this one sold out super fast, but these are Oops. I think it goes this way. So we have Oops of those, and there's only 10 of these boxes because I don't have many Oops of the princess bundle or the princess planner. It's also going to get the 6-piece ultimate mystery bundle. It's going to get a random journaling card. There's also going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vinyls and the 5-piece matte foil bundle. And this one's going to be $119.95, and I only made 10 of these. The next one is the gold bubble mailer. Try and do them in all different packaging for ease of mind for me. So this is the gold bubble mailer. This one is $29.95, and I made 40 of them, so quite a bit of these ones. You have the Park Hopper album. You have the 4 mystery kits. Again, you can kind of see this is a little bit of a different one. Then there is the 5-piece matte foil bundle and 6 washi. Also, if you want to see me making these, my next vlog I post, I will have footage of me kind of working through the process on how I kind of assemble these and how I come up with the different combos. The next one's fun. I only did 10 of them because I wasn't sure how much they were wanted, but I do get a lot of emails regarding this. So this is a Deco Rigid. It is quite heavy. It's actually just as heavy as the large box. It is about 2 pounds, 1 ounce. And I only made 10 of these, like I said, but I can make more of them. So if it's something that sells out, I can make more of them. So yeah, I only made 10. But this is just one of everything I have left that I could make. Up of like tea and kit stuff. So this comes with the Valentine. This is the full kind of bundle. This one is the space one. This is the, I think it was the 6-year. I actually might grab a couple of these to, you know, cut some cards down and stuff for my planner. And then this one is the Magic, I think it was Magic Land. And then there is 2 different vellum packs. This one has bows, this one has stars, and I think they come with the 4 foils or the 3 foils. I think there's 4 in there. And then there is the fall kit. And I think this one doesn't have like the extras, but it's the papers, the acetate, and the vellum. So you get quite a lot in there for the $19.95, especially if you are a crafter or if you're still setting up your planner and you want some extra things. This is great to have on hand. And again, I only made 10 of those because I haven't done anything with like deco, like TN kit type stuff in a while, and I have some sitting. So like I said, if those sell out, I will make more of them for y'all. And then the last kind of category I have is the blue bubble mailers. These will be $29.95, and again, I made 40 of these ones. So this one here has 5 random ultimate kits. Some of these are old formats, so they don't have like the glitter headers in them. They are old. Some of them, there are some mixed in, but what I'm quoting is the ones without glitter headers, ultimate kits. So this one has festival vibes, school days, Andrea, dance, and Magic 2.0. That's the TN kit. And then it also has the 5-piece solid. I think I finished these up in this round. And then also a print impression passport holder. So I hope y'all love this round of Destash. You usually do. It's such a good value to pick up some things. And I also love the mystery, and I know y'all do too. So that is everything. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But again, the only thing that can be ordered with your normal items and use coupons is this item here, which is the 6 ultimate mystery kits. Everything else is sealed, sticker on top, ready to go. So it has to be ordered individually with no other items in the cart, and you cannot use coupons on them. So that is everything for this week, y'all. I am so excited to see what y'all think of these. And also whenever I do these, I kind of take note, oh, this one sold out. So I know kind of like what combos you like. That's why I like doing them this way as well. I see what combos you like, so whenever I make more, I can be like, oh, y'all really like these, so I'm going to bring these ones back. So that is everything. All of these will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Again, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye!